और मैंने फैसला ये किया है कि मैं मेजर कुलदीप सिंह अपनी पोस्ट छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा।
सर, कोई रहे या ना रहे, मैं अपनी धरती दुश्मनों के हाथ में छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा।
हम नहीं जाएंगे, हम नहीं जाएंगे,
कोई नहीं जाएगा।
And that's why we win in the market. Let me explain. The outcome of a trade is never known. One can never be certain that the trade he has put in would give the concrete results as expected. There is always an element of chance. If it is so uncertain, how do we win? In this video, we'll discuss what it takes for a novice to start from a point and reach a point where it becomes very comfortable for him or her to trade in the market. So like this video and subscribe to this channel so this video can reach a lot of people. So if you have a long trading experience, you would have noticed that even though all support indicators would suggest a strong possibility of a particular trend, in actual real term, it might just turn out to be exactly the opposite. It is quite possible that an adverse, unanticipated event could ruin it altogether. You can never know for sure what will happen with the trade that you have just placed. And that is absolutely okay. You don't need everything to fall in place every time you make a trade. Because the outcome of one single trade doesn't matter. What matters is the outcome of the entire trading journey. The result at the end of your journey. The profits that you've made across the series of trades that you have put in. So what are the key factors that determines these? 1. The most important is to see the bigger picture. When you see the bigger picture, when you know where you are going to reach, it helps you relieve the pressure. You can calmly think. You can bypass a bad experience and say, nothing to be worried about, it's just a part of the game. And you know, as the motivational speakers say, when you see the end goal, the undulations on the path doesn't bother you. That is exactly what happens here. Number 2, the second most important factor that determines you stay in the market is, are you putting in a fight? See, as I've been telling you all along, trading the market is not an easy job. It's not an easy task. You may have all the necessary tools. You may have gone through the technical charts. You may have gone through the technical analysis thoroughly. Nothing helps. Yeah, it does to some extent, but you cannot be certain even after going through everything with due diligence. What you need to do is you need to fight all the odds in your temperament. You need to apply your knowledge, your experience, and put everything against the human sentiments that are working in the market. And then you can expect for some good results. Now that is an insane fight. It's not easy. You are fighting against the mass. You need to have an undefeating spirit. They who believe in fighting persistently and gracefully, regardless of the outcome, they could feel at peace knowing that they have fought as bravely as they could have done. We all know and heard of the phrase, winning is everything. Maybe in sports it counts the numbers. But in stock market, but in the market, it's all about the journey. It's about how you played the game. It's the resolution, the discipline, the tenacity, the focus with which you have worked through the market and have come out as a winner. That is what matters in the end. The love for doing what you have come here to do is what makes you the winner. Not to be a winner, but the love of the work, the love for the work makes you the winner. You see this clip, you will understand this.
जवानों, दुश्मन सामने खड़ा है। हम 120 हैं, वो पूरे टैंक रेजिमेंट के साथ है। पोस्ट छोड़कर पीछे हट जाने के लिए कहा है, मगर फिर भी आखिरी फैसला मुझ पर छोड़ा है। और मैंने फैसला यह किया है कि मैं मेजर कुलदीप सिंह अपनी पोस्ट छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा। अब तुम लोगों का फैसला मैं तुम पर छोड़ता हूं। जो लोग ये पोस्ट छोड़कर जाना चाहते हैं जा सकते हैं।
सर, सबसे पहले मेरा फैसला सुनिए सर। कोई रहे या ना रहे, मैं अपनी धरती दुश्मनों के हाथ में छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा। मर जाऊंगा सर, कदम पीछे नहीं हटाऊंगा।
मगर कमान ने भी कुछ सोच समझकर हुक्म दिया होगा। हम 120, दुश्मन 2000।
कहाँ के हुए साहब जी? सच्चे बादशाह 10वीं पातशाही श्री गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी महाराज ने फरमाया है, चिड़िया नाल जे बाज लड़ावा ता गोबिंद सिंह नाम तरावा।
हम नहीं जाएंगे,
कोई नहीं जाएगा।
And that is why we won the Longewala War. Not because we wanted to win, but because we didn't want to leave our motherland in danger. It is the love for our country that won us the war. Number 3, respect the market. It deserves it. Well, I've seen many novice traders that after they have made some successful trades, they start believing that they have known it. They have known everything. They have conquered the market. They start feeling like they have cracked the code. Cracked the code? Really? There must be God to have predicted human behavior. Very, very strange. Well, give the market the respect it deserves. The market runs on its own will. It doesn't have to listen to anybody. It just does what it wants to do. And so, you should be at the end and ready to accept what the market has to offer you. This is an intellectual challenge, but it's vital for you to stick around and accept what the market has thrown at you. So, when you cannot do anything, enjoy the process of trading. Fight hard and try to overcome every obstacle that you face in the market. But more importantly, do it because you love doing it, not because you want to win against the market. Because once you can control your emotions and step away from the idea that winning is everything in the market, it's only and only then you'll be able to control your emotions. On encountering a setback, you won't experience self-doubt or inadequacy. Unfortunately, we are all pressed by the way we have grown up all our life. We are grown up with the pressure of getting good marks in school, getting a good job, earning tons of money, and the pressure to be successful in life. But as we all know, बाबा रणछोड़ दास ने कहा है,
किसी महापुरुष ने कहा है कि कामयाब होने के लिए नहीं, काबिल होने के लिए पढ़ो। सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सेलेंस का पीछा करो। सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी।
किस महापुरुष ने कहा है? बाबा रणछोड़ दास। मारो तुम लोग।
So like or unlike any other field, people who succeed in life aren't all about just consumed to win the game they are on. They are consumed with the process of trading, honing their skills, and getting a sense of peace, knowing that whatever they have done to the best of their abilities. They feel satisfied that whatever they have done, they have put in their best efforts. बस यही तो है excellence का पीछा करना, नहीं? Well, if you want to know more what it takes to be successful in trading, this is the list of videos which you must watch. Go ahead, click here and have a look at them. As of this video, adios. See you again. Bye.